coming that some coffee farmers and value chain operators are carrying out poor practices, such as harvesting green coffee cherries. They are saying, after all, UCDA, which was there to bite and chase them, is no longer there. No. UCDA is and was, and any other tasked agency will be an arm of government. Whoever is implementing the law today, it doesn't matter who is implementing the law. It is not the face of the traffic police officer. What matters is the traffic law. So do not be tempted to bring back the poor practices in the harvesting of coffee. Factories should not do illegal things. For now, UCDA is fully mandated to continue doing the enforcement and the regulation. Even when the law is assented to, the successor entity or department will exactly continue doing the same. The UCDA offices of country will remain, but now they will be MAIF offices. I urge all our stakeholders, first of all, we need to know that such bad practices like harvesting green coffee cherries are not only illegal, but also delay our efforts in enhancing the quality and credibility of our coffee. I urge all of our stakeholders to maintain the good agricultural practices so that we maintain the good standards of the Ugandan coffee. Same applies to other products. Is assented to. It doesn't matter. Whatever license you were issued or card in the legal regime when UCDA was the agency, that one is okay. You will still carry. There will be no vacuum, and nobody should tell you this card is invalid. It is not. I therefore call upon the resident district commissioners in the various districts of Uganda, especially in the coffee growing areas, the chief administrative officers, the LC5 chairpersons, and other district local governments support the farmer registration exercise and continue to mobilize farmers to register. Please do not in any way stand in the way of this important activity. It's a livelihood activity. It's not politics, please, for heaven's sake. We are registering our farmers. We are trying to show evidence backed by data from the farms to the export markets that our farmers and our farms are compliant. Second, that our coffee continues to be bought at premium prices. So let no RDC, let no minister, let no MP put politics in this. We have had enough politics in Parliament, but let the real work of preparing our farm produce go on. Regulations. You know, I was here with you and I commissioned the registration. So people are asking, these activities that were being done by UCDA, do they come to a halt? And of course, of the misinformation, some people are saying there's no more coffee trade to be the kyemmwanyi. So I just came here with this team to give some assurance to the stakeholders and to the country. So on 6th of November 2024, the Parliament of Uganda passed the National Coffee Amendment Bill 2024, mainstreaming the UCDA into the Ministry of Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fisheries. While the bills are being processed for assent into law by the President of Uganda, the laws and regulations governing the coffee subsector remain in full force, and UCDA is carrying out its normal operations, including inspections and enforcement, farmer registration, export certification, sensitization, among others. So there's no vacuum. Nobody should say, "Tewali UCDA mulimo gwina kukola." No. Laws are not meant to create absurdities. Laws are not meant to create a vacuum. And laws don't work retrospectively. So until the new law is assented to, the current regime is in force. So whatever UCDA is doing is in order. and they are implementing the law, and they are doing it on behalf of the sector. When the president assents to the bill and it becomes law and the effective dates are designated, that's when the functions of UCDA will be transferred to the Ministry of Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fisheries. And even then, nothing will change. It will just be transferring the functions, the same regulations, the same certification procedures,